Meanwhile, former Spanish Town and Inwood High School cricket coach Carl Robinson has joined in criticizing the JCA over what he terms the mismanagement of the sport over the past few years. Harrison has accused the JCA and its president of neglecting the benefits of cricket. Renata Brown reports.
Wilford Billy Heaven's statement on the resumption of only SDC cricket for at least the next 4 months has angered several local stakeholders who have seen the sport at a standstill for over a year. But for coach Carl Robinson, the statement from the JCA shows a lack of interest in one key group of players who he feels will suffer in the future should things remain the same.
You give the OK to SDC cricket, to play SDC cricket, and you're telling the parishes and that them can't play cricket in September when rain falls. So what is going to happen to the development of cricket? What is going to happen to your under 13, your under 15, your under 17? In the COVID time when everybody was jumping around, Sabina Park is big. Sabina Park could have taken 5 or 6 of the national youth them and give them some training during the COVID, Nothing like that.
Robinson believes the stance taken by the JCA and the comments from the president highlights a short-sightedness of one of the major sporting bodies in Jamaica.
I really feel like the Jamaica Cricket Association, them not really mean cricket no good at all. Because first thing from early on, the CEO said, well, the cricket now play till next year. When the track and field man, they might try the track and field player. The football man, they might make rain him there. Him just cock up him for them and say, well, the cricket now play and all of them look at thing there. Yeah, one if a grounds man, who want to look up old man them now, we umpire. Many people umpire nearly two seasons now. Him can't earn a little thing. The little grounds man, them will roll the pitch them and all of them things and can't get a thing. We have to look out for poor people too,
And Robinson's wrath doesn't stop with the JCA. The man most commonly known as Glasses took a swipe at the Business House Cricket Association, which he says has neglected a lot of youngsters.
Business House Cricket is a little for Wally for youth. When me there Spanish Town and a coach Spanish Town, enough of my youth them go play for NHT, end up get summer work for NHT and all of them things there, and them push and help them get a scholarship. And Wally for things, and them things they help drop the level of crime in the place.
Robinson has called on the JCA to act now in having cricket restarted in Jamaica or risk losing young players to other sports. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.